There are a number of parameters in the Mandelbulb folder where people have discovered all sorts of formulas. Now I've made it so that when I double click on one, it automatically opens Mandelbulb. To do that, you can right click on any of these parameters and say open with, and you'll need to tell it that you always want to use, and you have to navigate and find Mandelbulb, which means looking for another app, and then you go find it. So I put it in the 0 as my OneDrive. Here's my 3D fractal project folder. There's the folder, and that's the program that we want it to use to open those parameters. So now if I just double click on one and open it up, I can calculate 3D, and you can check it out. You can also say open an M3P parameters. Of course, you have to stop it. And you can go looking in that set of parameters, open one up, and see what it looks like. They're all different resolutions, so we're trying to figure out how we can show these pictures to everyone, and you can pick them that way. Some really amazing formulas in here. This one, Formula 1 is Tatorical. Formula 2 is Hex Grid. Formula 3 is Sphere. So this is made up of 3 different formulas, one laid on top of the other. Pretty cool.